Hello you gorgeous people of the interwebs, I'm Gwenny of StyledByGwenny. Welcome to my channel, welcome back to my channel if you've been here before. I hope you're having a fandabby-dozy day. Today I have a true unboxing for you. It is the Cult Gaia Ark bag. Before we get into the unboxing, I would love it if you consider subscribing and ringing my bell and giving this video a thumbs up if you like it. Enough of all that, let's get into the unboxing! Very excited to open this top. That was easy, wasn't it? Okay, here we go. Alright, that's my formal paperwork. Okay, it looks like it was meant to be wrapped up in a little bit of paper here, but that's kind of gone awry. And here is the Cult Gaia box, and it does say it is the size small. I did not know what size it would be, so this is going to be a bit of a surprise to me. So here we go. Oh, it's really dinky. Look at that. It's got the label on it. Look how cute it is. So it's got this double handle here and this lovely beading in between each piece. Yeah, it's really, really cute. I saw people talking about this bag on the Facebook groups when Selfridges were having their January sale, and they were reduced to ridiculous prices like £30, and I think that's partly because they no longer stock them. I found this after a Google search, Net-a-Porter, although when it came to actually placing the order and getting the invoice, it came from Ukes, which I believe is just a subsidiary of Net-a-Porter. Yeah, so very late to the party. I think it's very cute. It's 100% bamboo, and it is apparently, according to the Cult Gaia website, it is 11.25 inches across, 3 inches deep and 9.5 inches tall. Okay, so this is probably a little bit smaller than I was expecting, but actually I think this is a really good size. I'm going to have a play around and see what fits in it. I need to show you, it's got the Cult Gaia print there, heat stamp. Oh, it's just so cute. As you can see, I'm trying to force spring and summer to spring into action by wearing a cheeky little tropical dress. It's not working. It's gone. We had one nice sunny day yesterday and it's all clouded over again today. Yay, UK! This was in the box as well. It's a little card with Cult Gaia on the front, and on the back it says Gaia's Ark. This unique bamboo Gaia's Ark is handmade by skilled artisans. Variations in the bamboo are to be expected and are what make this piece unique. Perfectly imperfect. Enjoy. Hashtag Cult Gaia. Part of me was a bit worried about things falling out through the gaps in between the bamboo, so I think pouches are the way forward. Yes! I may have overestimated what could actually fit in the small size. I don't know what I was expecting, but I brought loads of things downstairs, like big pouches, my pochette accessoire. For some reason I picked up my Agenda MM, who knows why. But I think it's going to be the smaller pouches and smaller SLGs that work best in this piece. So let's have a look. I have got round coin purse and key pouch. Put those in the bottom. My card holder. Oh, don't forget the phone. Put the phone in there. Whoa! That changed the weight dramatically. My medium kirigami. Pop that in. Some sunnies. Okay, it's a little bit higgledy-piggledy. I think I would need to play around with what goes where in this. because there is a little bit of space left at the bottom, but it's poking out at the top there. Okay, well, I like it. I don't carry a huge amount. Let's just see. I normally don't carry my medium kirigami. I normally carry this, but I was a bit worried about the chain falling down. So if I put that in the middle and the smaller stuff to the side, there we go. Okay, so I can see that that has fallen out of the bottom, so maybe I would find something different. And actually the zipper tab also from the mini pochette accessoire is poking out at the bottom. So I'll have to have a play around, with those, see what happens. But I do think it's cute, and I don't carry a huge amount. Maybe the only extra things that I'd carry would be a bottle of water, which I like to have with me everywhere I go. Again, this is going to take some more jiggery pokery. Put the bottle of water in the middle. Those pieces down the side. And put my sunnies back in. So that's all of that back in there. This is the size small. It comes in 3 sizes: mini, small, large and extra large. And part of me is wondering if I should have got a much larger one, but then I didn't want something that was going to be so massive that I wouldn't feel comfortable taking it to a cafe for lunch or something like that. I want to use this on holiday, and on holiday I like to visit cafes and have little drinky poos and things like that. So I don't want to carry the world with me. I did bring out a scarf as well to see if that would fit, if I could just chuck that on top. I think the key is going to be to arrange it with the, there we go, with the shape of it, is to arrange it so the taller stuff sits in the middle, sit further down, and then the smaller stuff at the side. And I can just about pop my scarf in there. I'll certainly be able to take it to Donsley Cafe when I'm on holiday or something, which is precisely what I wanted this for. I wanted this to be like a summer holiday bag, popping out for a picnic, put some sunnies and some lip balm in it, and off we go. I am going to have a look at the slightly larger size. I'm wondering if I should return this and get the slightly larger size, but I'll carry on having a play and I will let you know what I decide. So what do you think of this bag? I believe it was a favourite amongst the fashionistas for some years. I don't know that much about it, to be honest. I saw it, couldn't get it, thought, I want it. And now I have one, and I do think it's very gorgeous, and I do think it's going to be cute for summer. But I'm interested to know what you think, so leave your comments in the comments section down below, and yeah, let me know what you think. Links to everything can be found in the description below. I really hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please do give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button, ring my bell, and I'll see you for the next one. Until then, stay fan-dabby-dozy. Bye-bye!